Hi, I'm Dustin Hawkins with Socket. Today I'm going to teach you about an unpleasant aspect of email, spam. These unsolicited junk emails are annoying, but fortunately, we're going to teach you some techniques today to help you prevent and manage spam. In this brief tutorial, you'll learn what spam is and how to recognize it, how to prevent and minimize spam, and how to manage spam with Socket's spam filter. Spam is the electronic equivalent of junk email and consists of unsolicited messages sent to large groups of recipients, usually to promote a product or service or to obtain private information. Some spam messages even contain lewd or profane content. It's important to be able to recognize spam emails by looking for a few characteristics. Spam messages often contain misspelled words or grammatical errors. They often request something of the reader, a purchase of prescription drugs, for example, or reply with your password or account information that the scammer can use fraudulently. Finally, a spam message is usually from someone you don't know. However, clever spammers can disguise a message to appear from someone you do know, so be careful. Be sure to investigate any suspicious emails before acting on them. Never send bank account numbers, passwords, or other important information via email. Instead, contact the sender directly via phone or in person to verify the request. Also, be suspicious of offers that seem too good to be true, and check the credibility of unknown companies before placing an order or providing payment information. It's nearly impossible to avoid all spam emails, but there are several things you can do to minimize the number of junk emails you receive. First, try not to open, reply to, or unsubscribe from spam email messages. By doing so, you are telling spammers that your email address is real and that someone is checking it. This could lead to even more spam. Instead, just delete spam emails as soon as you recognize them. You should also avoid posting your email address on websites. Spammers use special programs to search the web for email addresses. The more places your email address appears online, the more spam you are likely to receive. Consider setting up a special email address to use for online shopping, newsletters, blog postings, and other online activities that may result in your email address being posted, sold, or used for commercial purposes. Only give out your primary email address to friends and family. You can also reduce the amount of spam that reaches your inbox by using a spam filter. Socket features a spam filter that blocks approximately 1 million spam messages each day from reaching our users. If your account includes this feature, you can easily use it to filter through your messages, weed out junk emails, and reduce the number of unwanted messages that reach your inbox. To start, click on the address bar in your web browser and type www.socket.net/spam. Then log in with your username and password. Click OK. On the left side of the screen, you'll see several options. Let's start by clicking on your spam inbox. This is where all the spam messages caught by your filter go. It's a good idea to browse through your inbox at least once every week or two to make sure no important messages are missed. Messages are held here for a limited time before they are automatically deleted. If you find a message that is not spam, you can click on it to read its content. You can release the message into your inbox or add the sender to your friends list, which we'll discuss in a minute. You can customize how strong you would like your filter settings to be by clicking the Settings button. more spam is blocked at higher levels, but it is also more likely that a legitimate message will not get through either. To change your settings, just click on the button next to the desired level. Then click Update Settings. You can also train the filter to always allow messages from certain recipients. By adding these email addresses to your friends list, you are telling the filter that messages from that email address are legitimate and can be allowed through every time. To add email addresses to your friends list, just click on Friends. Type the email address into the box, then click Add. You can also add an entire domain. You can view your friends list at any time. Click on the headings to sort your list by date or address. This concludes our tutorial on spam. These tips should help you cut down on the amount of junk in your inbox. For more information, visit us at www.socket.net/help or give us a call at 1-800-SOCKET3.